Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the custom autocomplete search in Angular 18 plus Bootstrap 5. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. So you see, I'm making I'm making one project in Angular 18 and Bootstrap 5 custom project e-commerce, and into this I am making the auto complete search. See, advanced search, and let me refresh it. And now, like, see, auto complete search product 1, 2 and 3 works well. So have you seen it's work like charm. And also I have made few pages, like you will like it. See, custom page, all I have made in Bootstrap 5. See friends, Bootstrap 5, and for response here as well. But for this I will share only the autocomplete search code as well. See, the toggle work well, the custom as well, this is also custom. And see, 18.2.6% ng. Well, thank you, I will share with more code as well, and feel free to contact me any kind of projecting Angular as well, e-commerce, or any kind of admin dashboard as well in Angular 18 plus version. Thank you. Have a nice day.